how to register your business name in Nigeria. A business name, as you can see, Federal Republic of Nigeria, Certificate of Business Registration, Business Name Registration with the number, Registration Certificate, General Corporate Affairs Commission, hereby certified that Jaskin Foods Agricultural Services, so on and so forth. That's the name. Then went ahead, what's the business about? Production and sale of food, agricultural and produce services. I don't want to go down because down is going to show you my address, and I don't want you to see that. So how to register your business name in Nigeria is what I want to tell you now. Number one, come up with a good business name that relates with your business niche. CAC requires you to submit 2 names, so get 2 names ready. Only one of the 2 names we approve. When I say business niche, let's take for instance your business is about farming. You cannot say Dunlop Farming Nigeria Limited. Your name must relate to farming, agro. It can be Bosco Agro Services. It can be Femtech Agro Services. It can be Jumade Agro Services, depending on the type of service that you are rendering or the kind of products you want to be selling. You need a valid ID card. You need a passport, photograph. When I say valid ID card, driver's license, national passport, national ID card, voter's card, all these are valid ID card in Nigeria. So you need a passport photograph, you need your signature, you sign your signature on paper. Now, none of these things are going to be submitted physically or on paper. You are going to submit it electronically. So you are going to scan your ID card, you're going to scan your passport, and you're also going to scan your signature. You can use Cam Scanner, which is you can download on your phone to scan. You can also use the normal scanner. The important thing is for you to scan. You can get any type of scanner you want to do. You want to scan and get it ready. If you're going to use a laptop to do the work, to do the registration, get it ready somewhere on your laptop. If you're going to use your phone, get it ready somewhere on your phone. Now, save all the documents in PDF. You can convert all the documents to PDF, online and offline. You can do that. Go to CAC website. CAC in Nigeria is the Corporate Affairs Commission. Go to CAC website and register. So when you go to CAC website, you register that you want to register your business name. So you register as an individual. You are now the one registering. You're not registering the business name yet. You are registering as a user on the CAC portal. Put in your personal details as requested. Save the entries you have entered. Now, after you have saved the entries, you definitely put in your email address on the CAC portal. Confirm your email by checking your email and clicking the confirm link they sent to you. When you register, they were going to send an email to you. You click that email, it will confirm that yes, you have confirmed that you are registered. Go ahead now on the CAC portal to update your profile by answering the questions they ask on the CAC website. You can search for the 2 names you propose on the CAC website to ensure it has not been taken by someone else. The first thing you should do is to search for the name. You search for the name. Searching for the name is free. You go, you look at the CAC website, you see where they put search, name search. You go to name search. When you go to name search, you put in the first name as you want it. You search for, you click search, it's going to pop up and show that the name has not been registered before. Search for the second name, it will pop up that the name has not been registered before. Once this is done, once the name have not been taken, you need to go ahead and reserve the names with 500 naira. It is not that you pay 500 naira for each of the names, but the 2 names together, you pay 500 naira to register the 2, to reserve the 2 names. You will click name reservation and input the name, the 2 names. They will generate an RRR code, and you can pay with your card right there online. You can pay with your card. I think that is the easiest way. If you don't want to do that, you get the RRR code, you go to your bank and make the payment. But paying online using your card is okay. I had a problem when I registered mine. The actual registration, they deducted my money twice, but later it was reversed. Later it was deducted again. Later it was reversed after I sent a mail to remitter. Name reservation costs 500 naira, but you need to pay bank charges, which brings it up to less than 700 naira, but above 600 naira. You will get the reservation notification within 1 to 2 hours. Message in your mail will show which of your names was approved. From the CAC website interface, you will make a click with an inbuilt code where you will apply for the business name. You will upload your documents in PDF such as signature, passport, ID card. You will answer if the business will be sole proprietorship, partnership, etc. A fee of 10,000 naira will be charged, excluding the about 200 naira bank charges. After submitting the form with payment, you will get a message in your mail in 2 to 3 days showing that your business name registration has been approved and the link for you to download your CAC business name certificate. You will then go ahead, download the business name certificate, download the certificate for the business name and print it if you want to. Make sure that you download the certificate and save it very well where you can easily find it on your system or on your phone. If you want to reprint the certificate after 2 weeks, you will be charged again by the CAC for downloading. You can do this yourself. All this business registration I've explained, you can do it yourself. And if you want our experts to help you due to time and technicalities, I can help you do it with 19,000 naira. With only 19,000 naira, we can help you to do the business name registration. With the business name certificate, you can bid for grants, loans, open bank accounts, and get tax identification number, TIN, etc. for your business. So that is how to go about it. And click the subscribe button. Some people have been trying to contact me personally and they're asking me how they can contact me personally. If you desire to have one-on-one discussion with me, you can send me a WhatsApp message via 080-36910-988. 080-36910-988. Just send WhatsApp message only and ask your question and I'm going to respond to you. If you desire to have one-on-one discussion with me, you can send me a WhatsApp message via 080-36910-988. Just message me only and I'm going to reply you. Bye-bye.